So I made this fork a while back, and I'd like to do something similar today. I'd like to make one as a gift to give to someone. I only have 19mm round pieces of stainless steel. This is 300 series. I don't remember what exact designation, but you can tell because it's non-magnetic. This stainless steel is really not easy to hand forge. I've got a newer version of Guillotine tool here, and I think the fuller dies probably will help me to draw this piece out a bit quicker. I always say guillotine, but it's probably guillotine or something more with an L sound. I don't know. This version is my own prototype, but I'll show the one that I'm planning to sell a little later in this video. It's basically the same, but with just one difference. So here's the parts of my new Guillotine tool, the one that I'm going to sell. It includes flat and fuller die sets made from 1050 medium carbon. Then you've got the horizontals, the verticals, and then the hardy shank would be either 19mm, 22, or 25, 3/4, 7/8, or 1 inch. So the big difference is that it's completely unwelded. The hardy shanks screw on to the frame. This may not be the most accurate guillotine tool, but it's very sturdy and it's accurate enough. I've had really good success in the past with this bolted-on frame design, and so I've stepped it up a notch and made a little bit more of a beefy version here. I may list this on my website when I get a chance, but if anyone's interested, shoot me an email. I need to give a shout out to Ross Dugan for increasing his Patreon support amount. And I need to give a shout out to Robert Durante for becoming my newest Patreon supporter. Thank you, fellas, for helping to support my channel. When I'm making videos of things I normally don't make, like this fork, you'll notice that maybe the background or the weather conditions or other things change a bit, and that's because maybe I'm taking several days to make this item. I might squeeze it in at the end of my workday for a few days and get it done little by little. It's probably better to draw your handle out completely before cutting in the tines, but I did it this way, so I'll work with it. This stainless is just really hard to forge, but it's really easy to cut. However, it's also very hard to grind. My fullering dies really helped me to draw this out. Otherwise, it would have taken a lot longer even. I use this tool to put some texture back on the handle. I like this fork. It definitely conveys the fact that it's hand forged. Though I'm not sure about that nodule behind the tines, if maybe I shouldn't thin that out a little bit more. Well, that's all for now. Got a lot more fooling around to do.